So here we have a basic question on quadratic equations which involves the concept of sum of the roots, product of the roots, and we have to find the value of alpha minus p whole square plus beta minus p whole square. So let's try to solve this equation. First of all, we'll write down the equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. So the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus p minus of minus p, which is p. X coefficient is 1, so p by 1 is p. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, means q. So first of all, we'll simplify this. Okay, so alpha square minus 2 alpha p plus p square plus beta square minus 2 beta p plus p square is equal to e. Let's consider this is as the equation. We have to find the value of e. We have to solve this. So I just simplified this brackets. So then we'll collect the terms. So alpha square we have plus beta square. Okay, we have 2p square terms plus 2p square, and then here minus 2 alpha p minus 2 beta p is equal to e. Then alpha square plus beta square, we'll keep it as it is, alpha square plus beta square plus 2p square minus, here we can take 2p common in both the terms. Okay, so 2p is common, alpha plus beta minus 2p is common. Okay, so then we'll get alpha plus beta is equal to e. Alpha plus beta, we have the value of alpha plus beta as p, so alpha square plus beta square plus 2p minus 2p into alpha plus beta is p, so p is equal to e. So we'll get alpha square plus beta square plus, here it is square. Okay, so 2p square minus 2p square is equal to e. So plus 2p square minus 2p square cancel. Now we'll solve it here. So we are left off with alpha square plus beta square is equal to e. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to e. So now we'll see we have the value of alpha plus beta is equal to p. So alpha plus beta is equal to p. Okay, so this is a very important identity which I'm going to tell, which is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. This is very important identity, very important, which is used in most of the sums of JEE mains and advanced level. Okay, so if we'll simplify this, we'll get this value. Let's see, alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to, suppose, x. So 2 alpha beta cancel, alpha square plus beta square, we are getting the same value as we got it here. So this is very important identity which we have to remember. This converts the sum of the roots into sum of squares of the roots. So this is very important identity which we should remember, which is alpha square plus beta square, which is equal to 2 alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So we'll apply that identity here. In this we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to e. Now we have to find the value of e. So we have a value of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to p. So p square minus 2 into alpha into beta is q is equal to e. So the value of this is equal to p square minus 2q. So this was the solution. Thank you.